Hello, I am Jan Suttlemeyer and I am a graduate student in the George Washington University Education Technology Leadership Program. I've developed this video abstract as a requirement for the Learning Technologies and Organizations course. The video abstract covers the work of Dave Yates and Scott Paquette, who researched emergency knowledge management and social media technologies during the 2010 Haiti earthquake. Their research was published in 2011 in the International Journal of Information Management. On January 12, 2010, a 7.0 earthquake shook the small island nation of Haiti. The damage was catastrophic and the loss of life and human suffering were unimaginable. The U.S. and international response was swift and the scale was large. Disaster response scenarios are highly fluid and require rapid action to bring relief and support to affected communities. The responses typically involve dozens of national and international organizations, each with functional areas of expertise and unique information needs. Traditional knowledge management constructs for disaster response emphasize centralization, and this ultimately slows down decision cycles and response timelines. Social media's ease of use and ability to support rapid information exchange seem to make it a natural fit for disaster response scenarios. Yates and Paquette examine how emergency response organizations use social media to support robust knowledge sharing and application during the earthquake. The researchers used a participatory action research strategy. One of the researchers was an active participant in the Air Force Crisis Action Team established to support the flow of aid into Haiti. The researcher operated as an IT functional expert on the Crisis Action Team. Over a 2-week period, he worked 12-hour shifts, and he both implemented and collected data on the use of 2 social media tools. Traditional AFCAT processes during disaster response and wartime operations relied on central processes that silo information according to functional areas. The primary mechanism for knowledge exchanges is a twice-daily changeover briefing where each functional area expert recaps the happenings of the last 12 hours. Knowledge exchanges with other agencies are done through formal liaison officers. These liaison officers can become choke points for information flow as they become overtasked or overwhelmed by the volume of information and the coordination required. In short, the traditional processes are slow and stovepiped. SharePoint and Wiki pages were used by each functional area on the AFCAT team to accelerate knowledge sharing and knowledge application during the Haiti earthquake. The researchers identified 3 areas where social media use improved knowledge operations. First, social media improved knowledge reuse. Functional area experts had continuous access to the knowledge work of others on the team. This allowed team members to quickly and easily exchange knowledge and best practices. Second, the use of SharePoint and wikis reduced the reliance of liaison officers, since individuals with knowledge needs could easily tap in to information sources. Third, social media tools reduced duplication of effort. Agencies were able to see how and where their information was being used. This allowed agencies to optimize their resources based on need and utilization. There were some challenges with social media use. Specifically, some knowledge structures were cumbersome and not user-friendly. The volume of information shared often became overwhelming, and contributors sometimes failed to organize and tag their information in a manner that supported search and retrieval. These issues were worked out as users discovered the problems. Finally, establishing the accuracy of some information proved challenging. The findings of this research demonstrate that social media does offer flexible and agile tools that are capable of supporting the rapid and widespread information sharing requirements leveraged during disaster response. In order to optimize social media's ability to break down information silos and support rapid decision cycles in future disaster response scenarios, practitioners should endeavor to train users on what is required to make knowledge recoverable and usable, and they should explore identity management to support expert identification and assessment of information accuracy. Finally, areas for further research include examining social media impacts on decision cycles. Specifically, how does social media improve decision timelines and the quality of decisions? Further research should also explore methods to reduce the effects of information overload. I hope you found this video abstract useful, and thank you for your time. For more information, please read the Yates and Paquette article.